Hey, you're Lawrence, right?
Hey, yeah, how's it going, man?
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Will. I just caught your show in the House of Blues there. It was a really nice set. I liked it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, so I was on my way to River North to celebrate with some friends. You can come along and get to some drinks.
Dude, that sounds like an enticing offer, but I got a big studio session tomorrow.
What? It's
Yeah.
like not even 10 o'clock.
I know,
What is this,
I
middle
know.
school?
It seems silly, but I just gotta rest up. I'd really be stupid not to be awake for it.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Well, I respect that. I'll catch you around another time.
Yeah, come see me anytime at the House of Blues.
Sounds good. Have a good night.
For sure.
The fuck happened?
Double my cup or triple, bounce on my body. I've been rolling, I can't stop my cake. I'm rolling off that blue pill, blue dream. Sit, gang. I'm on the high end, drip. I'm about to fly in, sit, hop in the Cayenne.
Play with some Pippin, man.
That is right.
I can fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up a lot, 300 cash, cannon car came with a
Leave 'em dripping wet.